Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about is Render legit? If the answer is yes, then watch this video because we are going to share unmixed review on this portal as many people from United States are confused about this website. So let's check out the details. The website claims to be an England-based internet shopping portal that provides customers with great quality products. The variety of products offered by the company are tops, casual dresses, sweaters, two-piece sets. The company provides women outwear and accessory. The user interface and quality content on the web page look great. But before making online shopping, just watch out the details. Either this is a legit or a scam portal. So it is actually a HTTPS code website. The website offers you order cancellation option. The domain of this website is almost 5 months old. They offer you 30-day return policy. As far as shipping is concerned, you can enjoy free shipping over the order of $79. On their official portal, they have mentioned their contact details and official address. And as far as payment methods are concerned, you can use Visa card, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, Diners Club and PayPal for your shopping. The positive point of using Dirende.com are the products offered by the website seems good in quality. The website can be seen active on Facebook and Instagram. Shipping charges are made free of orders above $79. The website offers its customer policies like order cancellation and 30-day return policy. There are plenty of authentic reviews provided by happy customer. It has a valid SSL certificate. The negative point of using Dirende.com are the domain age is just 5 months old. The website deducts 10% order cancellation fee. Order can be cancelled within 24 hours of ordering. Alexa rank cannot be obtained. Owner details are kept private and hidden from the customer. So actually the easiest way and the most effective way to verify the legitimacy of any website is to look at the reviews provided by the previous customer. Like you can get to know many key details about the website when you are going to buy from. Customer reviews contain details like product quality, customer support provided by the company. These all details are very important and will help you to decide whether you should use the website or not. So when we search out for the reviews about this website, we got many authentic reviews on Trustpilot that were provided by mostly happy customer. As we seen that there are many happy reviews provided by the customer, and the website is also present on social media pages, so we can say that this website can be trusted and you can shop from here without thinking about it twice. And if you have an experience of shopping from this store, please do share your experience with us. We love to hear from you.